In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickFunnels with GetResponse. We'll walk through connecting your GetResponse email marketing account to your ClickFunnels workspace so that your leads can automatically flow into your lists, tags, and automations. By the end, you'll have a smooth connection set up, ready to use in your funnels. First, open your browser and log into your GetResponse admin dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. There, find the option labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on Tools. When you do, a large drop-down or mega menu will appear. In this menu, look for the section labeled Connect. Under Connect, select Integrations and API. This is where GetResponse lets you connect with other platforms and generate API keys. Inside the Integrations and API page, you'll see tabs across the top. One of these tabs is called API. Click on the API tab. This is where we'll create the key that allows ClickFunnels to securely communicate with your GetResponse account. On the API page, find and click the button that says Generate AP Key. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to name your new AP key. Type a name that clearly reminds you what it's for, such as ClickFunnels Integration. This is just for your internal reference. After you've entered a name, click the Generate button, usually located at the bottom right of the pop-up. The pop-up will refresh and display your newly created API key. Carefully copy this key. It's important to copy it exactly, and remember to keep it private since it provides access to your account. Now, open a new tab and log into your ClickFunnels admin dashboard. Once you're inside ClickFunnels, look toward the lower left corner of the screen for Workspace Settings and click on it. In your Workspace Settings, you'll see a menu of options on the left side. Find and click on Integrations. You'll now see a list of different apps and services that can be integrated with ClickFunnels. Scroll through until you find GetResponse, then click on it. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter the API key you just copied from GetResponse. Paste the key into the field, then click Proceed. The pop-up will close and your ClickFunnels page will reload, now showing that your GetResponse account is connected. Click Save to confirm the integration. From here, you can choose what actions you want ClickFunnels to perform in GetResponse, such as adding a tag, adding a contact to a list, removing them from a list, or removing a tag. Take a moment to carefully map your fields so that information like name and email address go to the correct places in GetResponse. When everything is mapped the way you want, scroll down and click Save at the bottom right. And that's how you integrate ClickFunnels with GetResponse.